Is my whole fupa out? Not too much. What in the world?
And we'll party like we're 17.
What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So I know that I've been gone for a month, a little over a month. Listen, my life, it was in shambles, crumbling. It was just not in a good place, and I didn't want to come in front of the camera like happy and positive when I know that that's not how I was feeling. So I didn't want to come up here being fake. So I figured it's just better to take a little break, let things settle down just a little bit. And yeah, I am back, honey, and I'm better. And guess what? You're gonna get a video every week. So if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and support the channel. So now that that's out of the way, today's video is going to be like a summer everyday look. It's really simple and easy and really quick to do, so that's why I like it. And it's also very lightweight. I have a whole nother makeup routine, like a more natural one, so stay tuned for that. You'll probably get that in a few more weeks. But yeah, this is the one you're gonna get today, honey. So if you're interested to see how I got this look, then keep on watching. I don't really want it to be in frame, but it's gonna be in frame. Like, it's like a mess, okay? It's a mess. As always, first thing we're gonna do is foundation. And I'm running out, so yes, I have to scrape from the bottom of the barrel. So I just put the concealer underneath my eyes, on my forehead, and on my chin, and we gonna blend it out. Now we're gonna set our face with translucent powder. Not too much. What in the world? My lashes are stuck to a brush. So I'm just going to set my face. And I'm just gonna wipe it off. I'm not gonna bake because this translucent powder be making me look like a damn ghost, and I'm not trying to look like a ghost today. Next thing we're gonna do is contour our face. So I'm gonna contour on my cheeks. A little bit on my jawline here. Okay, moving on to our eyes. I'm trying to do like a little peachy orangey type of color, so I'm gonna actually use this little cheap palette because it has a color that I want. I don't know how pigmented it is, probably not much, but I'm not trying to go ham either. Come on, up and up. Oh yeah, so I'm gonna use like a little peachy color, this one right here to be exact. This one, and I'm gonna put that all over my lid and see how it goes. Moving on, I'm gonna do some eyeliner. I'm gonna do a little wang, okay? A little wang action. Next up, I'm moving on to lashes. I'm gonna use these lashes. I'm just gonna double them. I also want to do like a more natural look because, let's be honest, if we go into the pool, I'm not wearing all this makeup. Like, what is the point? My son likes to dunk my head in the freaking water, so my lashes will be floating in the damn pool all the way in the deep end, and I cannot swim, so I don't know who's going to save my lash. I'm gonna go ahead and put these babies on because this glue is really old and you can't wait for it to get tacky because it's already tacky. Like, it's been tacky for months. Next thing I'm gonna do is line my lips. And I always go over the Cupid's bow because I just like that look better. And then I'm gonna do the middle part with this little lipstick. Last thing I'm gonna do is put some highlighter in the corner of my eyes. And then some mascara, which I need my little mirror for. And we are done. We are absolutely finished. So anyway guys, this is a finished look. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. It's super cute, super easy, and super simple. Like I said, I want to do a more natural makeup tutorial, but that'll be for another day. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!